Hello, hello, welcome to Draw Tip Tuesday. Summer break or winter break in some parts of the world is over or almost over. So today, let's get back into the groove. You might have been away on vacation, and even just getting away for a few days makes you feel like getting out of everything. And then it can be hard to start again on the projects that you were working on, or to start again at all. Or maybe you've had a whole gap of non-creativity for quite a while, maybe a few weeks, a few months, or even longer. And then you might think, how do I ever get back to it? It's hard. The threshold to take that little step to pick up that pen and paper can be really, really high. Maybe your inner critic is telling you like, well, maybe you can't do it anymore. Do you even know how to draw? And what if that first drawing turns out really bad? Well, let's get over that together. I've been away on a little vacation, enjoyed really a great time in Dutch nature. And before I went away, I started my project on shoes. It's this accordion sketchbook, which is awesome and which has to be filled completely. I have a lot of shoes still to draw, I must admit. I want to get back to it, I want to get into a sort of a regular habit to use this book, which of course I will share completely once I filled it, but that will take a while. So today I want to get back into my projects, and I hope you have something too that you can get back in, and maybe we can do it together. Getting back into the groove can be quite hard because it seems like such a huge step to take from not doing it and just picking up that pen again and starting again, beginning again. But I do know that you have muscle memory. If you like drawing, if you have been drawing, you know how to do it. So even if your inner critic is like, well, you haven't done this for a while, so maybe just, procrastinate on it or not do it at all because what you might make might be really bad. You know better. You have muscle memory. In the Netherlands, we all, at some point in our lives, we learn to ride a bike. Once you know how to do it, you will never unlearn. Maybe if you haven't been biking for a few years, you get up on the bike. At first, it might feel a little bit wobbly, but then you get back into the familiar feeling of the move on the bicycle. I think it's the same with swimming. Once you know how to swim, you can't really unlearn it. And just recently, I got back into doing exercise, like lifting weights, trying to get stronger again. And I was a bit afraid that I had to start all the way from scratch again. But my trainer gave me a few exercises, and my body knew exactly what to do. I remembered exactly how to do all those exercises. Even though my body couldn't lift the weight that I could lift like over a year ago, because I hadn't been trying it and I haven't been maintaining the exercise for over a year. But my body did know what to do. There was muscle memory. And that's what this is about. Get back to it and you will recognize the things that you need to do. Maybe you haven't used a tool for a whole long time. And you're like, how did that work again? Maybe, watercolors. How much water do you add? How much pigment do you use? But once you step back into it, dip your brush into the water and into the paint and onto the paper, you will know. Your head knows it. You have muscle memory. So let's use the muscle memory and also remind yourself whenever you are in a rut or whenever you haven't drawn for a while, remember you can still do it. You can do it anytime. Just make a little bit of time and do it. And then you can get back into the project. And once you've done one drawing for that project, for that collection or the series that you're working on, you know that you can do another one. Just make time for it. That's really the biggest thing. Time. Make time. Dedicate time. And you deserve to do it because it's so great to draw. You feel so happy when you draw. So let's keep on doing it. Thank you for listening to me just sharing my thoughts while I was drawing my shoes. I hope you get back to your project. I hope you get back to your drawing practice. And here at Draw Tip Tuesday, that's really what I want to encourage you to do. Get into that practice. Do what you love. Draw, draw, draw. And I really try to do these Draw Tip Tuesday videos weekly. And you can help me to maintain that practice by backing me on Patreon. I will share the link below this video. I would really appreciate it if you even consider to back me up so I can keep on publishing new Draw Tip Tuesday videos every week for free for everyone. Thanks for watching. I will see you soon. Bye.